Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Moto G56 and let me share with you how to add the photo to a contact in this device. So let's start with opening your contact list, for example with the usage of the dialer, finding the contact which you'd like to edit and tap on it. Then let's tap on this edit icon, so pencil icon in the right upper corner, and now simply tap on add picture or tap on this circle. So here we've got three different sections from which we can choose the photo from. We've got device photos, which are right here. We can either enter our own gallery and set our own photo as a contact photo, or we can open the camera app and your device, we can tap on the camera and your device will open the camera app. So this is the best option to choose if you've got someone right in front of you and you can catch a photo of this person. Google Photos, where you've got your backed up photos and illustrations, which are free of charge and they are available online. So this is a nice option if you do not have a photo of someone whose contact you'd like to customize. So just find the photo and then tap on it. Here in those illustrations you've got also the presets, so you can choose the colors, and in all of the options, no matter which one you will choose, you can change the size of the photo just like that, just by pinching your fingers. You can change the position of it, you can also change the size of this highlighted square, and thanks to this you can decide what you will see after saving the whole contact, because this highlighted circle is responsible for it. So position it just like you want to and then tap on choose. And now tap on save in the right upper corner, and as you can see your device will save the contact. This is how it will look like. Of course you will be able to see this photo on the contact list and, for example, during all incoming calls from that specific number. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.